As per my last video, I've done the testing with the little rig to see which groove fits the best for the TPU as the seal, and I've reprinted the enclosure. I've also done little changes here, and yeah, I'm gonna give you a quick demonstration right now, and this works the way I wanted it to begin with. So now I have a framework, quote unquote, so I can make sure that this is gonna be a reliable thing. So when I'm printing other parts, I can rest assured that it'll all work. So as you can tell, this is perfect and it'll stay here. Obviously the lid will come on it, blah blah blah. Now, the other part of the design I've changed is I've added an extra hole here. It had 3 here, I believe, yes, which allows me to have 2 Modbus networks on one Ethernet cable if I choose to do so. Also, let me try this. Let's see if I can showcase this on video, because I haven't tried it, but yeah, it looks like it will work. Obviously this will not be applied this way, it doesn't matter. I am gonna try and jam it through here, because if I can get it to work, yes, perfect. This is a bit of a restraint release. You get the general idea. I have not prepared for this, and yeah, so now this can go somewhere on the DIN rail, and anytime you pull on this, you will be pulling on this instead of the actual item inside. So I thought that's quite neat, and I've done it for power as well. Simple addition, but it gets the job done. And that's it. Thanks for watching.